I'm a big fan of sardines. I know not everybody likes sardines, but sardines are little vegetarian fish that because they're little and vegetarian, they don't have issues of mercury or PCBs in them, and they're highly sustainable. In fact, at the moment we have a huge overabundance of sardines because we've overfished the big predator fish that eat them, and so there's been an explosion of sardines. We have, I think, twice as many as we did 100 years ago, and in fact they now are so abundant that they threaten the health of the oceans because they're eating too much plant matter in the oceans, and that's changing the chemistry of ocean water. So it's in everybody's interest to eat sardines. And if you don't like canned sardines, I generally buy sardines packed in olive oil, and I drain off all the visible oil, and then I mash them up with mustard and lemon and onion. And that for me is a terrific lunch. I either eat it on crackers or I roll it up in a romaine lettuce leaf. Delicious. But if you don't like canned sardines, you should try sometimes fresh sardines, which are a totally different creature. And in Mediterranean countries, in Spain and in Italy and Greece, very popular to take fresh sardines and just grill them, sometimes brush them with olive oil or not, grill them over charcoal and just eat them with lemon. I have very good memories of years ago. I was in the northwest corner of Spain in the province called Galicia, which is a Celtic population. They eat a lot of seafood, and along the sides of the road there were vendors, fishermen, who would have just brought in a catch of fresh sardines, and they grilled them over charcoal, and they would give you a hunk of crusty bread and with some sardines tucked in it, and it was very, very good, just right off the grill. The other fish that I particularly like are sockeye salmon, all wild, and they can't be farmed. Also good from the point of view of environmental contamination, because they also eat lower on the food chain than other species of salmon, and very good content of omega-3s. Black cod, which we serve here at the restaurant, also called sable fish. So these are good choices, good omega-3 choices.